Good morning guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can service reset a Ford Transit. It's a 2018 model. We did an oil change and I'm going to show you how you can reset this car manually so you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. We have more than 150 other cars. You can watch them all if you want on how to reset them, or some tips and tricks on other brand of cars. Any questions, any comments are always welcome. Use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. We start by turning the ignition on to the second position. All the light must go on. And then you have a menu button over here on the right side of the steering wheel. Press it. You can scroll down to service or maintenance. Confirm by pressing OK. And this one is the reset option for this car. Some other Ford Transits with the same age, 2018 models, don't have this menu. You have to reset them differently, and you can watch the other type on another video I made, so you can watch it back if you want. Once you are here, just press OK, and it says us now to press OK and hold it while the indicator resets itself. And now we can go back and the surface indicator is reset for this car. That was it. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time with another car. Thank you. Bye bye.